Hi everyone. So, gusto ko lang sa inyo may share. First time ko mag-open up tungkol sa nararamdaman ko. I am struggling with anxiety and panic attack. Since bumalik kami galing US, siguro kasi not feeling well din ako. Dala ng pagod and all. Actually, I lost a lot of weight bago kami pumunta ng US 2 weeks ago. I was around 78 to 79 kilos. But when we came back from our vacation, 74 na lang ako. So I lost about 5 kilos. Well, bakit ko ba sinishare? It's because feeling ko makaka-help sa akin. I don't know. Wala yung na-feel ko. Sorry, naiyak ako.